opportunity to exercise their franchise as citizens and to renew their social contract with the ruling elite. They have the highest stake in the elections. The next group, of course, there is the contestants who are offering themselves through their political parties for service of the people. They are to present themselves to be voted for, not impose themselves or grab power by all means. And finally, there is the government institutions. I said 3 categories: the people, the contestants, and the government. The government institutions with varying responsibilities for ensuring a free, fair, and credible election. Most important is the government of the day, with the primary responsibility to maintain good order. Even in an election, the government belongs to all citizens and should not be partial or biased, for that would be gross injustice.